Hi everyone. Tami's in for her fitness soon, which basically roadworthy, but she needs a little bit of tender loving care because, well, let's just say she's experienced. So this is where we've come today, to get her repaired. Let's see how that goes. Garage to North. That's where we've come. We're actually in Upper Vale. That's a well-used toolbox. But how cool is this machine? Holding up an entire engine. Oh, and drums of oil. Loads of it. This is her beautiful engine. Poor little thing. If he pulls those, apparently it might break. So this is a tricky operation here. Oh man. Problem is these things might break, so we have to be careful. Well, not me, the mechanics. This guy's obviously masters at this. Spark plug, not good, not good. Oh, black. Looks like at least one of them's still good. So we got two goodies and we got two baddies. This is how you clean them with a massive machine. Look at how clean that is. Wow, the machine really works. Now he's going to check the distance between the sparker.
The gap.
This is to check the gap, that's right. Back they go in. Listen to her purring like a kitten. Whoa. Whoa. Something in there. Well, she does have some more problems, unfortunately, so we'll be back on Tuesday. But right now, the spark plug problem has been repaired. So thank you so much. And thanks to the great guys at Garage to North. If you're in the north, come here. They're really, really helpful. Tami is an integral part of all our adventures. So I thought I'd show you a little bit of behind the scenes, what she has to go through to make the show happen. Anyway, everyone, thanks for watching. Tami's in good nick again.